Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix an error occurred while renewing interface Ethernet on Windows 10. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh, space, int, space, ip, space reset. Type netsh, space, winsock, space, reset. Type ipconfig, space, /release. Type ipconfig, space, /flush DNS. Type netsh, space, win http, space, reset, space, proxy. Type exit from command prompt. Restart system. Second method is type network reset in Windows search bar. Click network reset. Click reset now. Third method is type cervix in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Open DHCP client service. Make sure startup type is automatic. Make sure service is starting. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.